Hello guys, my name is Valdi. I'm from Makassar. Today I'm going to tell you about how to get success in your life. First is dream. With dream, you will know what you're supposed to do everything in this world. With dream, you will know what's your destination in your future. And by dreaming, your mental will be honed to against all of the obstacles and troubles that will block your way. Okay, second is action. After having a dream, of course, you must do an action. Without action, your dream is no use. Action is the way how to get your dream. Action is the rule how to get your success in your future. Okay, the third is pray to your God. Without God, all of your dreams and action are nothing. God knows who works hard. God will give His place to people who pray to Him. So, you must pray to God. Okay, that's all my explanation. I hope all of my explanation will be useful to your life and your year after. I do apologize if I have many mistakes. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.